Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel and I am Atanu Betal, and in this new video lecture we discuss about the topic the state of hybridization of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen in some compounds. So this is a very important and interesting topic because in examination generally this type of question ask this type of question that what are the hybridization of the carbon and nitrogen or oxygen for the following compounds. So in this video we see what are the hybridization types for the carbon, oxygen and nitrogen for some compounds. So let's start our discussion. Here see an example of molecule CH3 CH2 C double bond triple bond C double bond CH. For this molecule you have to find the hybridization of this carbon, this carbon. So in the case of finding hybridization of each carbon, you have to understand that how many bond pairs are attached with the carbon. Here see, total number of bond pair is 1 plus 3, means if we open this hydrogen, okay, it's give an arrow because it is better to give an arrow to show that we are showing hybridization of each carbon for this compound. So this is the compound, and if we open up this hydrogen atoms, 3 hydrogen atoms that is attaching with this molecule, then this one is forming. So here number of pair 1 2 3 4. For 4 pairs you have to write the hybridization name of sp3, and for 3 pairs the atom is sp2 hybridized, and for 2 pairs atom is sp hybridized. So we have to find out that what are the number of pairs that is present in a molecule, and according to this we can determine the hybridization. Here in this carbon you see the 1 2 3 4 hydrogen, means 3 hydrogen 1 carbon bonds. So therefore 4 bond pairs are present. So therefore 4 bond pairs causing this carbon as sp3 hybridization, and for this carbon 2 plus 2, so it is 4, also this carbon is sp3 hybridized. And for this carbon, look here, it is only one pair and this one is another pair. So for this reason 2 pair is here, and the hybridization of this carbon is sp. Similarly, hybridization of this carbon is sp, and for this carbon it is sp2, because see here number of pairs 1 2 and 3. So therefore this 3 for 3 pair, this is sp2 hybridization, and for this is for this carbon it is also sp2 hybridization, because 2 plus 1 means 3 pair is present here in this carbon. So therefore we write the hybridization of this carbon is sp2 hybridization. So this is the marking of each carbon with their respective hybridization. And we see another compound where we have to find the hybridization of each carbon atoms. See this molecule CH2 double bond CH, C H double bond C double bond CH2, 2 3 4. So this is the molecule where we have to find the hybridization of each carbon atom. We have to find the hybridization of each carbon atom. First look at this carbon. Here the 2 hydrogen bond with carbon, so 2 pair and 1 pair, so 3 pair, that means it is sp2 hybridized. It is 2 plus 1 plus 1 means 4 pair, two pair, it is counted as one pair only, 1 2 3, so therefore it is sp2, and it is 1 2 and 3, therefore it is also a sp2 carbon, and this carbon is a sp carbon, and this carbon is sp2 carbon, because 2 plus 1, 3 pairs are in this carbon atom, 3 pairs are attached in this carbon atom, and for this reason the hybridization of this carbon atom is sp2. Okay, so this is the determination of hybridization for each carbon atom, that we have decided here, that what is the hybridization of each carbon atom for this molecule. Okay, so we see another important compound where with carbon atom oxygen atom is also present. For example, CH3, CH2 and OH. Here we have to determine the hybridization of oxygen, we have to determine the hybridization of each carbon. Here you can easily determine that hybridization of each carbon is sp3 and sp3. Hybridization of two carbons here, and both carbons are sp3 hybridized, but for oxygen here two lone pairs are present and two bond pairs. Lone pair does not determine the hybridization. Hybridization is determined only by the number of bond pairs. Here the number of bond pair is 2, so therefore 2 bond pair means that is sp hybridization. Sorry, this is okay, I am making a mistake here. Here total number of pair is 4, because this one and this one, you have to count this two lone pair also, because here total number of pair is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So for this reason the oxygen is here sp3 in hybridization. Okay, because 1 1 2 3 and 4 pairs, 4 pairs, total number of pairs 4, and for this reason this oxygen is sp3 in hybridization. So we see another example where hybridization of carbon and oxygen we have to find out. For example, CH3 CO CH3. For this molecule we have to find out the hybridization of carbon, this oxygen and this carbon. This carbon is sp3 hybridized, because see the total number of bond pair and lone pair, here lone pair is not present. The total number of bond pair is 3 plus 1 4, so the sp3, it is also sp3 hybridized carbon, and this carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon, because 2 plus 1, so total 3 pairs are present. For this reason this carbon is sp2 hybridized, and for this oxygen here 2 lone pairs are present at oxygen atom, so therefore total number of pair 2 plus 1 3. So for this reason this oxygen is here in sp2 hybridization. Oxygen sp2 hybridization, carbons are sp2, sp3 and sp3 hybridization. This is the prediction of hybridization of carbon and oxygen in this molecule, and you understand this one. Next we take another example where we have to find the hybridization of carbon and nitrogen. For suppose for this molecule we have to find the hybridization of carbon and nitrogen, and here we are seeing the hybridization of carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon. This carbon is sp hybridized carbon, because the 2 pairs are present only, and nitrogen here one lone pair is present in nitrogen, and with lone pair it is total number of pair is 2 here, one is in this lone pair, another is bond pair, so sp hybridization is for nitrogen. Total number of pair is 2, so therefore the hybridization of nitrogen is here sp hybridization. So similarly we can take other examples also for hybridization determination. Suppose we take for the case of ether type compound, ether, here the carbon atoms are all sp3 hybridized, this carbon is also sp3 hybridized, and this oxygen is sp3 hybridized, because total number of pair 1 2 3 and 4. So for these 4 pairs this oxygen is here a sp3 hybridized oxygen atom. So in some other examples, like you can also take the system of aromatic system, like the benzene. Here each carbon is sp2 in hybridization. This carbon is sp2, this carbon is sp2, this carbon is also sp2. It is sp2 and sp2 hybridization, because see the total number of pair 1 2 and each carbon containing one hydrogen atom here. So therefore the total number of pair for each corner or each carbon atom are 3. So for this reason each carbon atom is marked as sp2 in this benzene molecule. So this is the discussion about how to find out or how to predict the hybridization of carbon and nitrogen or oxygen for some molecules. I wanted to discuss this topic because this is very important for examination, that what is the hybridization of carbon, nitrogen and oxygen for some molecules. So I think you understand this topic, and you if you like this video, then give a like to this video and subscribe this channel.